Oh, Willy Pooh, you gotta be in on the action, don't ya?
You want me in too? I made over to him so you can see him looking at him.
Oh, again, give Chrissy kisses. Oh, give Chrissy kisses. You think you're a little tiny little puppy, don't ya? You think you're a little tiny little puppy? Huh?
He is. Except he's 47. Actually, he's 8 now.
He's 7. He just turned 7. That's gross, right? What are you doing? Are you checking for boogies? They're goofy. Look how handsome Christian is. Even with that look on his face. Oh, my two handsome boys. Ryan and his boogies, Christian and his goofy faces.
Do I have any earwax?
That's gross.